Alrighty then, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carriers Wargaming back with some more World of Warships gameplay. I am in the Phoenix. I am about to crash into an island. I am turning round so as not to crash into the island. And there we have it. The Phoenix in all her glory, and I forgot to put a bloody camo on her again. Damn it! Ah well, being the first ship to turn up, I'm likely to die anyway. So, once again, business as usual. I like that little bit in there. Not so much now. Just saw those rockets come down. Oh, rockets? Shells. Those shells come flying down. And here come another set. And oh dear, that could have been disastrous. And now I've been detected. I'm definitely going to die. There is no doubt about that. I am 100% going to die in this battle. Just like I do in every other battle. All I want to do is capture this and I'm dead. We should probably move. Making a move would be a good idea. Let's go into this guy's smoke. And now I'm absolutely dead. And let's throw on the sonar when it's too late. And what could possibly go wrong? Am I hidden? Am I not? Who knows? I'm just going. Now I've just been detected. I am going to die. Although I couldn't die with any more Valiant music, could I? That was close. Right. Maybe next time we'll get it right. Oh, good lord. By now I should have disabled my anti-air when I was in that smoke, but I didn't, because I wanted to get at least a kill, even if it was a blooming plane. And here comes these shells. These will be the end of me. Ooh, no. So once again, playing with high hopes. This is going to be interesting, because I presume we're both going to torpedo each other. And there we go, I am dead. So, let's not waste any time. And let's take the Danny out. And we'll really quickly do this. So we'll stick on you. We'll stick on you. And that'll do for now. Boom. Here we go. We can totally do this. We can make a win today. Yeah, totally. Make a win. Yeah, we can make a win. Yeah, we can. So yeah, credit to these guys for being in my videos, not that they have any choice. Let's start the battle. Ah, things could go so wrong today in this set of recording thingies. So let's just hope that we do alright this time. We're in the Danny. What can go wrong?
Requesting fire support. Roger, proceeding to assist you.
So what's the plan? Looks like we're going for A and C. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Looks like we're going for C. Let's go for C.
I'm not able to help you.
Let's whack it up. Got a nice little Phoenix buddy. An Izyaslav buddy. A Menakaze buddy. A Kaiser. And a Koenig. Kaiser for king and Koenig is also king, I think. Because the Earl Koenig is the elf king. So, yeah. I think the Germans have got 2 words for king. Unless they're slightly different, like dictator and king or something or other. Who knows? Who knows? There's something new any day, I will know right away. Soon as it shows. A bit of West Side Story in there for you guys. Every time. Not every time, because my singing is awful. So, we have been detected. I'm gonna whack out a little sonar, see if we can pick up any more buddies. And let's... Oh! That was a good torpedo lot there. I assume it's this ship, so I am launching myself at it with full vigor. I'm overcompensating too much. I need to pull back my shots. Hello, stop shooting at me, please. I want to live. Oh dear, we lost a buddy. I now have 3 enemies aiming their guns at me. And now that guy's dead. And now I am dead. So let's retreat.
Concentrate fire on the target.
Right. So we successfully managed to bullshit that one out. Alive. This guy's just Phoenix, I assume. He's just waiting around the corner to torpedo whoever comes by. But nobody's going by. So your support would be greatly appreciated. Apart from... Oh, it looks like our destroyer is also attempting the same thing.
Our team has taken the lead.
But he has been detected by this destroyer. And I have been detected. Well, let's get something before they do. Let's get the hit. Ah, fuck. Ah, that would have killed him as well. Damn it. We're still going around in circles. Why are we going in circles? Stop going in circles. That is not the thing to do. Oh god, the enemy have broken down there. Alright, I'm gonna go and I'd say I'd go and give them some support, but I do like it down here. I'm alive down here. There's less bad guys down here. Ooh, hello. Right. No, I was going to move into the left of that island, but realised that would put me in the firing line and I'd die, so I'm going to the right of that island instead. Right, come on. Oh, here comes some torpedoes. You're a destroyer, you can dodge them well. Right, I'm locked on to this battleship.
Direct front. Good game, everyone.
That destroyer is there. But is the destroyer or the battleship? Choices. But I've been detected, so I'm just gonna take the shot and run. Be easier to hit the battleship. He's not aiming at me, and he's now out of firing range. So I'm going to use this Kaiser? No, the Koenig. I'm going to use the Koenig as cover against this enemy destroyer around here, which I believe has just been destroyed. The destroyer has been destroyed. And move on with my... we'll just turn on this Koenig then. Can't tell whether he's turning or not. Now he's turning. He's turning to the left. So he's probably going to be aiming at me. So let's make it. No, he's aiming at the destroyer. Come on. Yay. Those guns, no, those guns are still pointing backwards at the destroyer. I'm going to try and keep my front towards him because that's where it's most, the thickest armor of my ship is at the front. We're nearly within torpedo range. Ah, brilliant! And that other battleship appears down at the other end of the map, which will almost certainly be in range. And now that destroyer is dead, I assume the guns are going to be... Yeah, they're definitely, yep, they're turned at me. Right. Let's pop these torpedoes and peg it. Yay! Got him. With one torpedo. Oh, it's annoying they take so long to reload. Hello? Oh god, they have a destroyer left. Looks like he's still taking damage from flooding. His guns are aimed at me. We can expect... Oh, he stole my kill! Oh, so not fair. Damn it. Oh, I was totally gonna have him. Bastard. Well, he took advantage of the situation. Bastard. And there we go. A win! We haven't had one of them in ages. Brilliant. And now we are going to take the tier 5 destroyer, the Nicholas. I have had a cheeky go already, but let's have a look at these upgrades. So that one looks good. Increases firing accuracy of the secondary battery and main battery. Accelerates traverse speed of torpedo tubes and extends firing range of the secondary battery. Extends firing range of AMANs. Increases the traverse speed of the main turrets. I'm gonna go that one because that does stuff to my torpedoes, and that's good because I'm a destroyer. And then that one. Ah, so there's not much to level up the Nicholas with, just the Nicholas B, which just increases it various bits and bobs. It reduces main turret, it gets rid of a main turret. That's interesting. Right. So we want that. We're just going to stick everything on this for first appearance. That one. Right, that one. That one. That one. That one. That one. That one. We'll go with that one. And what have we got left? Yeah, we'll stick that one on, because why not? Right. What are the range on these torpedoes then? Torpedo range is 5.5 kilometers. So fairly decent for America. I do believe that Japanese torpedoes have insane range, but I'm going on the American tech tree, so stuff it. Right then. So, 2 aircraft carriers. Gonna be interesting. Oh crap, we're going up against tier 6s and a tier 7! We're up against a tier 7! 2 tier 7s! Oh fuck! New Mexico. Oh god! I can't see us lasting this very long. Especially my start position. I'm gonna probably move over. Oh, hello. I'm probably gonna move over to these guys down here and give them the support. Because let's face it, I'm not gonna have any idea what we're doing. So I might move over to the left actually with the other. Yeah, we'll move over to with the other destroyer. Can be destroyer buddies. Although he's turning right round. I love how you can just sail right through the boys. So you can probably tell my initial awe of the game has now disappeared, and now I'm just treating it like a big ball of fun. Which is how you should really treat the game. It doesn't take itself too seriously. Apart from the tournaments, but it's a lot of money, so why not? So here goes. First encounter the enemy in the Nicholas. Currently far out of torpedo range, and they'll probably detect me when I come around this island. So I'm going to island weave, get behind them. I'm just looking very close at my detectability range.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
It's going to be...
Engine
Ah!
deactivated.
That's where their aircraft carrier is. But I've got no chance of sneaking around there. Or do I?
Roger, proceeding to assist you.
Right, let's move our detectability range over a bit. Let's turn off our aircraft fire. If I get detected, I'm just launching everything I have in that cruiser because it's the most damaged. I don't know, this Navy firing some bits and bobs, I don't like that. Because it's going to turn them on us. I'm going to come this side of the island because we might detect their other aircraft carrier. We have lost a battleship and a cruiser already, so I don't think we're going to win this battle, but we can certainly have some fun in the Nicholas while we're at it. I'll turn my anti-air back on. Oh, I was going to say if I get that kill, that would have been really cheeky of me. I have, however, now alerted them to my presence. One of them is aiming at me. It's that one over there.
Critical engine damage. Smoke Smoke generator started.
I'm just going to let that one repair itself out, because I have that ship's captain upgrade where the skill where the when it's incapacitated, when the engine's incapacitated and the steering's gone, it can still work, but less so than normal. Yeah, there's too many ships around here to be able to take on that aircraft carrier. So I'm going to have a wander down here, see what we can get. Because if their deployment's anything similar to our deployment, then it's definitely worth a shot. Or worth a torpedo salvo at least. That battleship is hunting me down. No doubt about it. So we gotta be careful with this. Because as soon as that aircraft carrier detects me, that Congo is going to shoot at me. So. Where are you? Come on, where are you? They're both over on the other side. I'm going to be really disappointed. And those two battleships are closing in on me. I don't think it's here. Right, let's use a speed boost and let's skedaddle. We'll go this way. If they detect me, I've got one shot before I'm dead. So we got to use it well.
Enemy battleship detected.
Now when I shoot, my detectability range is as wide as my firing range, and if I get that off without them detecting me, that is brilliant. Ah, just out of range. But we can try it on this ship, this Koenig coming around the corner. Come on, if they hit. Ooh, no. No, I'd say I'm definitely out of range now. And now he knows that I'm here. So, come on, where is that aircraft carrier?
Engine boost deactivated.
Ooh, dramatic music. We can do this. Come on. Oh, did they just leave our base? So they lost the capture of it? Come on, speed bonus. Come on, speed boost. Come on. Come on. Come on. Where are you, aircraft carrier? Yeah, carrier, 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 carrier. Let's go this side of the island. I don't quite fancy that. New Mexico. Speed boost. Come on.
Engine boost activated.
Where are you? Where is this aircraft carrier? Come on. That's it, I'm going against this New Mexico.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Those guns are turning on me.
The enemy is about to win.
Come on, you must at least set fire to him, for God's sake. Yay! I found it! There it is! It's over there. Behind me all along. If we'd have just carried on going up, we'd have found them. Ooh, hello.
The ship is on fire. Problem solved, sir.
Well, that Koenig is probably aiming at me. So ooh. Right, let's lay down the smoke.
Smoke generator started.
And then let's turn.
Battle ends in 5 minutes.
The ship is on fire. Critical engine damage. Problem solved, sir.
So all of these planes are now going to be coming at me. I'm just going to turn around and get in with my other torpedoes. Oh, he has secondary guns. Fabulous. Ah, well, we are the short of it. In one word, buggered. Where are these ones coming from? God, I can't keep track of them. As soon as I hit 4 kilometers distance, those secondaries are going to start tearing me up again.
The ship is on fire. Critical engine damage. Problem solved, sir. Turret critically damaged.
These next. There we go. End of the battle. Wow. Well, it was interesting. It was certainly interesting. 76 target hits, 1 set on fire, and all the torpedoes we fired did not hit. So I'm going to connect this container and then wrap up this part, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, it's been a pleasure. And so, the grand contents of this container is plus 20% to credits, Type 5 camouflage, minus 20% to flooding recovery time. All of it, to me, are useless, apart from Type 5 camouflage, because I use that a lot. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys. That was the Nicholas. My next episode will probably be an aircraft carrier tutorial. So, see you then. Curious Wargaming out.